Today we are going to focus on screw thread terminology. So I have drawn the standard ISO thread adopted by BIS system. So ISO means International Organization for Standardization, and these types of threads are adopted by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. So before knowing this M10 into 1.5, M14 into 2, whatever I have written, first we are going to focus on the screw thread terminology, so that we will understand the meaning of M10 into 1.5. So here I have drawn the standard thread. So I have shown V thread. I have shown here in the diagram V thread. So whatever the diameter is here, it is nominal diameter, means diameter of the shaft or the component on which we are going to make the threads. So always it will be more than the major diameter and major diameter. So after manufacturing V threads, whatever this diameter, major diameter we are going to get, then here this top point of the thread, V thread, it is called as a crest. Then bottom point of the thread, here it is called as a root of the thread. The distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive roots, it is termed as pitch, and usually angle between this V thread will be 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. So whatever this surface, slant surface made by this thread, it is called as a flank. So here I have written M10 into 1.5. It is the standard method to write the thread nomenclature. So M means metric. M stands for metric. 10 means major diameter. I have shown it here. Major diameter D. So this 10 means 10 mm. So M means metric unit. 10 means 10 mm. Then 1.5. This 1.5 stands for pitch. Pitch means, I have explained here, the distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive root. It is called as a pitch. So 1.5, it is a pitch. So how the pitch will be calculated? It is standard one. Tables are available. Standard tables are available. So for 10 mm major diameter, the standard is 1.5 mm pitch. So for M14 means metric. 14 is a major diameter. So for 14 major diameter, 2 mm is a pitch, standard pitch. Like this for M20, 2.5. For 20 mm major diameter, so 2.5 is a pitch. Likewise for 24 mm major diameter, 3 mm is a standard pitch. So this is very important here. So how the pitch is calculated? According to the standard calculation, the pitch you have to maintain. Okay. So always the angle will be 60 degrees for metric threads. Metric threads, the angle will be taken as a 60 degrees. So after knowing this, so whatever I have shown here, it is V thread. Likewise, we can have the square threads also. We can have square threads, and whatever I have shown it here, it is external threads. So how we can represent this in the form of representation? External V thread representation will be like this. So this outer circle you have to make it dark, and inner circle 3/4 you have to draw. It should be thin one. So here I have shown. So this capital D is nothing but major diameter. So how the root diameter means this inside circle, whatever I have drawn, this will become root diameter equal to 0.9 D approximately. 0.9 D will be taken as a this inside diameter. Okay. So like this we have to represent the external V threads. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್
ಡನ್
ಹಾಂ
ಡನ್ ಸರ್